Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Illustrator and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you a really cool star logo idea, a very simple step-by-step process that you need to follow, but a very innovative and modern end result you will achieve. And I guarantee if you follow the steps that I show you, you'll be very happy and proud of yourself with the end product. So what I've done first of all is create some guides for me here. To get your guides open, there is a keyboard shortcut for Mac users, that's Command R. For Windows users, that is Control R. And create a nice little center point here. Now I'm going to use my line segment tool. I'm going to hover to the column, and I'm just going to press Option to resize from the center point for Mac, and Alt for Windows users, and Shift at the same time. Keep it nice and straight, like so. And I'm just going to duplicate this up here like so, pressing Option on Mac or Alt on Windows. And we can continue that by pressing Command D for Mac users or Control D for Windows users. Now I'm going to select everything here. I'm going to come to our Rotate tool. And to get our rotate options open, we need to press Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows. And as you can see, I've come to the center point of our guides there. If I press that keyboard shortcut, fantastic. That brings up our rotate options. I'm going to rotate it at an angle of 72 degrees, and we are going to press copy. And yet again, we're going to use that same shortcut of Command D to create our basis of our star element here. Okay, wonderful. I'm just going to zoom in to this point here, and we're going to use the line segment tool again, create a nice line here, hitting that point to that point there, like so. Wonderful. So I'm just going to zoom out now. Like so. And what we now need to do is make sure that we use our shape builder tool. So I'm just going to select everything here like so. And we're going to use the shape builder tool, and we're going to build this shape here like so. Actually, guys, if I press Command Z to go back or Control Z to go back there, I'm going to make sure that I have a color in the fill. And like I said, what we're going to do is start from this point here into that point there, like so, and create that element. Just going to change the color around just so I can see what I'm doing. Let's say we go for a blue color here, and we're going to create the next one. So I'm just going to come through to this point here and build that one into there, like so. As you can see, guys, we're really getting to the point now of creating our element. And we just need to build this little element as well. So I'm just going to give it a little shake in there like so. And let's just change the color of that just so that we can see what we are doing. Select it first. There we go. Okay. I'm just going to select all the other lines and just press delete or backspace just to remove them. There we are. Wonderful. And I just need to take that little line in there. Let me just zoom in quickly and take that little line out. Press backspace again. Okay. So just to really improve the look and feel of this, I'm going to start applying gradients to the elements. So I'm just going to set all of them at the same time and just remove the stroke. There, like so. And I'm going to apply a gradient to the fill option here. I'm going to use a linear gradient. Pretty happy with that angle there, to be honest. Let's say we take the next one. We're going to use the keyboard shortcut of I for our eyedropper tool and just pick up this element there. And I'm just going to use the gradient tool just to change the angle of the gradient. Let's say we go from that point there, like so. And yet again, let's select that red one and use our gradient tool. Just so we come from this point here. Okay, wonderful. And now we're ready to rotate again. If we select everything, use your rotate option and your rotate tool, hover to the center point. Yet again, you need to use that keyboard shortcut of Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows to get your rotate options open. I'm going to stick to 72 degrees. Let's press copy. And we're going to press Command D again, like so. Let's get rid of those guides. So I'm going to go View, Guides, Clear Guides. And there you have it, guys. A really cool looking design there, just following some simple steps. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.